Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dot plots part 2. So this is another lesson on dot plots where I start with my usual rap song. I'll leave this slide on for a short while. This will explain what's happening. You can pause it as long as you like and then I'll move on to the next slide. Okay, that's given you enough time to pause the video if you need to do so. I'll move on now to the first 3 verses of the rap song. I'll leave that on for a short while before I move on to the next 3 verses of the rap song. Pause this video or this slide for as long as you like. Okay, here are the next 3 verses of the rap song. I'll leave that on for a short while before we move on to the brief lesson. And here is the brief lesson on dot plots. So there's the diagram here of the dot plots, and it shows how many students in a particular class play these types of sports. So we have 5 sports altogether, and that represents each dot is a number. That's why I have the word number here. For example, for tennis, you have 6 students. For squash, you have 2, etc. So we can answer very basic questions. How many students play football? So all you do is you go to the football column, count the dots, and the answer is 5. What is the most popular sport? That's the one with the most number of dots, and that is tennis because 6 students play tennis. What percentage of students play hockey? Hockey is here, so we know we have 3 students. So if you count all the dots, that gives you 20. So the percentage must be 3 over 20 times 100 over 1. So when you work that out, when you do the calculation, you get 15%. So basically this video started with a rap song. We've had a brief lesson, and now I'll move on to the next slide before we finish up. So I've attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by including the rap song. If you found this video useful, please click the like icon and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. On the next slide, you can click on the link if you would like to do the worksheet on this lesson. You are also invited to click on the subscribe button.